Hello friends, my name is Akshay and let's start to solve the problem on Geeks for Geeks. So problem is find a duplicate in an array. Given an array A of n size which contain element from 0 to n minus 1. You have need to find all elements occurring more than once in given array. Return the answer in ascending order. If no such element is found, then return minus 1. The extra space only for the array be returned. Try and perform all operations within provided array. There is no repeating element in array, therefore output is minus 1. Okay. So here no repeating element, so output is minus 1. Here any repeating element is present is 2 and 3 both. So output is 2 and 3. So here we can use map because in first element of map we store the element which present in array and second element in a map will be the number of frequency of this each element. So first declare map. I write it's a helper. Okay. Here I use for loop and I give helper array of a plus plus. I have to take one array which is ans and then help. I travel to helper. Okay, and I check if help dot first is more than 1, then ans dot pushback. I check to frequency and second is a frequency. So if frequency is more than 1, it means in array the particular element which is present in help first will have more than one occurrence. So I insert this element in our ans array. Okay, but we have to check if size of ans is 0, then we just include minus 1. Okay, and then return ans. So today's code is very easy and it's a very easiest question. I think I don't need to explain this. Okay, if you understand the concept of map, so this is very easiest question of the map. But if you don't understand this map, so you can do one other thing instead of this. You can use one array helper. I will be using this also, but first here I compile this. Okay, so output is same as expected output and then submit it. Okay, so this is not work. Why? Here my output is 2 but the actual output is 3. Okay, so what is the problem? Help dot second, it is more than 1, and here arr of I, it's plus plus. I write here like this minus 1. It not a make change. Where is the problem? Is size is not 0. It should work fine. Why 2? Here 0 and 33 and 1. Let's check our code again. ARR of I helper plus plus okay and help vector ans dot push. Oh, here it is a mistake. We don't here you should give first first. Okay, because if frequency is more than 2, so we have to insert the element, not frequency. Okay, so it will reach time limit exceeds. Okay, so in this code we have to optimize this because the time limit expected time. So the code is passed our all test cases, but can you check if I use only this operator, so it will show the proper output, but instead this I use less than or equal to 2, so it will show me the time limit exceeds. No, right now it not show me time limit exceeds. So can you notice this? It will give sometime wrong answer to us. Okay, so not like this. If you use this operator, so it will take more time to the first operator. It is not like this, but this is mistake from this platform to give us error, which is TLA, but I use same program right now, which is before first. So this is okay, but if you don't know this map, so you can take array instead of map. I use array helper, which is size of map. Here we have to given that n is 10 raised to 5. Okay, or the array contain n minus 1 value. And here helper all element should be 0. Here it is fine, here it is fine, but instead this we have to write help of I, and here int I start with 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, if it is more then insert I. So okay, I did it using this helper. So code is complete, and run this code. Okay, so it is same. Okay, so this code is passed with. So if you don't know about map, so you can did it in also a helper array, because here it is mentioned that the element it is n minus 1 only value. So I think that frequency of all elements I store in helper. So first I did all frequency of each element is 0, and here index is an element. You can consider that all index is an element, and at the index I store the occurrence of the element in this helper array. So first I think that all element occurrence will be 0, and then I look all elements, and at a element I did helper plus plus. So if you can assume that 2 is count first time, so at a second index this will store 1, and then third index store 1, and then first index store 1, and then second index again repeat. So 1 is already present in helper, so it plus plus, so helper at second index will be 2, and like also third index it will be 2, and here it check if it is more than 2, then answer push back the I, which is the element, and if size is 0 of the answer, then return push back -1, and we returning the answer. So it is also the simple code, like first one. So thanks for watching my video, and please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.